Hello viewers, you are welcome to my class. Can we actually solve this problem together? So the question is somewhat tricky, but it's very simple. So I would like you to follow, stay focused and see what we are going to do. Let's solve this together. So now from here we have what we have the fifth roots of 5 to the power k plus 5 to the power 12 over 5 to the power k plus 5 to the power 2 equals to 5. So now what are we going to do? So the first thing we need to do is that you can see the variable here is k and it's found to be exponent. So we need to what? We need to get rid of this giant or fifth root. So we are going to be using what? We are going to be using 5. Okay, that is, we put 5 here. So we can see that this will actually cancel this. So we are going to be left with what? 5k plus what? 5 to the power 12. Are you following? Then over 5 to the power k plus 5 to the power 2 equals to 5 to the power what? 5 to the power 5. So now from here, and I would like you to do not what? Let all the numbers to be in index form as it is. Okay, so don't use calculator or do anything here. So let it be as it is here. So now from here we can actually have this one as this. Okay, so now what if we try to cross multiply like this? You can see that we are going to be having, this is going to be 5 what? We are going to be having 5k plus 5 to the power 12. Are you following? Then because this times 1, then this will be equals to 5 to the power 5. Okay, then dot, because we want to multiply this by this, 5 to the power k, then plus 5 to the power 5. Okay, dot what? Dot 5 to the power what? 5 to the power 2. So now are you following? So now from there, what's the next thing to do? So let me come down here. Now from here we can see that we have what? We have 5k here, I have 5k here. So I can what? I can rearrange this equation so that this will be coming to the left hand side. So I'm going to be having 5k, okay, then minus 5 to the power 5 dot 5 to the power k, okay, then equals to, I have 5 to the power 5 dot 5 to the power 2, okay, then minus 5 to the power what? 5 to the power 12. So going further, so we are going to have what? We are going to be having this. So this one is going to be, you can see that we have 5k here, we have 5 to the power k here. So 5 to the power k, I can factorize out the 5 to the power k. I'm going to be having 1 minus what? 5 to the power 5, okay, then equals to, here this is going to be 5 to the power 7. Okay, let me do this that way. Then minus 5 to the power what? 5 to the power 12. Is that understood? So from there, so the next thing is that we have what? 5 to the power k, 1, 5 to the power 5, then equals to, so when you look at this, you can see that we have something that is common here. So we have 5 to the power 7 common, that is 5 to the power 7 into bracket. What do we have here? We have 1 minus, then this will be 5 to the power, because from here, let's say 5 to the power 7 dot 5 to the power 5. You can see that 5 to the power 7 is going to be 5 to the power 7 plus 5, and we're going to be having 5 to the power what? 5 to the power 12. Is that understood? So that's what I'm going to use here. So this is going to be 5 to the power what? 5 to the power 5. Is that understood? So from there, you can see that we have something common. So therefore, when we divide through by 1 minus 5 to the power 5, okay, so like this, dividing through by this, you can see that this equation is going to be 5 to the power k, then equals to what? Equals to be 5 to the power 5 to the power 7. So therefore, since the bases are the same thing, so this implies that k is equals to 7, that is, their power are said to be equal. And we have our solution to be k equals to what? Equals to 7. Is that understood? So therefore, if you want to know whether we are right or not, you can actually go back to this equation, put 7 there, and see whether we are right or not. But this is the possible value of k we have, and I'm very sure when you put your k to be equals to 7 in this formula or in this equation, so you are going to be having this to be equals to this. Is that understood? And that's going to be the end of today's class. If you find the class very interesting, so do not hesitate to follow our Facebook page for more interesting videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.